7 days left till winter. What are we gonna do for food?
Oh!
Yes, Hammy.
I filled the log.
What the?
Look! I found my nuts! Ooh.
We're rocking the suburbs, from Downing Muse to Chevy Chase. We're rocking the suburbs, we numb the muscles in our face. We're rocking the suburbs, we feed the dog and mow the lawn, watching mommy bounce the checks while daddy juggles credit cards. Let me tell y'all what it's like, watching Idol on a Friday night, in a house built safe and sound, on Indian burial ground, Shaman. We drive our cars every day, to and from work both ways, so we make just enough to pay, to drive our cars to work each day, hey, hey. We're rocking the suburbs, around the block just one more time. We're rocking the suburbs, cause I can't tell which house is mine. We're rocking the suburbs, down. We part the shades and face the facts. They got better looking fescue right across the cul-de-sac. Estate rising stars, get rich quick seminars, soap opera magazines, 40,000 watt nativity scenes. Don't freak about the smoke alarm. Mom left the TV dinner on. Yeah, we're rocking the suburbs, from Downing Muse to Chevy Chase. We're rocking the suburbs, we numb the muscles in our face. We're rocking the suburbs, we feed the dog and mow the lawn, watching mommy bounce the checks while daddy juggles credit cards.
That, my friends, is the object of all human attention and devotion. And they call it a TV.
Wicked cool.
You see, humans feel a deep inner need to connect with the world around them.
That is just super duper.
They also feel a deep need to sit on their fat butts. Watching TV fulfills both needs at the same time.
Wow, interesting.
Come on, kids. Family time there, in front of the TV. Get your snack food.
Buy a Val! Buy a Val! Buy a Y! Please buy a Y!
I can't find the remote.
Hey, Spiky, Raisha.
Does anybody seen the remote?
Dad, chill. I could do a little TV. I think today's the day we find out if the baby is gifted or if Saxon is really an alien.
Just like Khan in Star Trek 2! The Genesis Project was in the hands of the Enterprise, but Khan had his perfect plan to steal the invention of renewable life!
Well, that was specific.
I saw it on TNT. They were doing a retrospective. You know, I don't...
Gummy worm, anybody?
Let me have one.
Hey, Bucky, pass this to Luke.
Taste this.
What you got? Don't you take that?
This is the perfect food.
Fat-free cookies? You might as well just be eating dirt.
I've had dirt. I don't like dirt. It tastes like dirt.
Shh, the show's starting.
We're rocking the suburbs, everything we need is here. We're rocking the suburbs, but it wasn't here last year. We're rocking the suburbs, you'll never know when we're gone, because the timer lights upon and turns the cricket noises on each night. Yeah, yeah, we're rocking the suburbs. Yeah, we're rocking the suburbs. In the supermarket, I can no longer shop happily. I came in here for the special offer, a guaranteed personality. I wasn't born so much as I fell out. Nobody seemed to notice me. We had a head reach back home and the suburbs, over which I never could see. I heard the people who lived on the ceiling scream and fight most scarily. Hearing that noise was my first ever feeling. That's how it's been all around me. I'm all lost in the supermarket. I can no longer shop happily. I came in here for the special offer, a guaranteed personality. I'm all tuned in, I see all the programs, I save coupons from packets of tea. I've got my giant hit discotheque album, I empty a bottle and feel a bit free.
Kids in the halls and pipes in the walls make me noises for company.
Long distance callers make long distance calls, and the silence makes me lonely. I'm all lost in the supermarket. I can no longer shop happily. I came in here for the special offer, a guaranteed personality. I'm all lost in the supermarket. I can no longer shop happily. I came in here for the special offer, a guaranteed personality. I'm all lost. I'm all lost. I'm all lost. All right. I'm all lost in the supermarket. I can no longer shop happily. I came in here for the special offer, a guaranteed personality. I'm all lost in the supermarket. I can no longer shop happily. I came in here for the special offer, a guaranteed personality. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hang on a minute. I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh, there we go. Yes! Here we go. Kind of anticlimactic. Shoot!